Okay, sagutan natin yung ating group work kanina. Angle pairs created by parallel lines cut by a transversal. So, i-recall lang ninyo kung ano yung mga angle pairs na na-create in this kind of topic. So, one example is vertical angles o kaya naman corresponding angles, alternate interior, alternate exterior, same side interior, same side exterior, linear pair, vertical angles, mga ganon. So, those are angle pairs. So, sa number 1, since may given tayo which is 68 degrees and this angle is x degree. Ibig sabihin, we have to find this value of x. So, as you see, i-describe natin kung saang position nakalocate yung dalawang given angles. So, mapapansin niyo yung dalawang given na angles ay nasa same side ng ating transversal. Ito yung ating transversal. Okay? And as you see, 68 degrees and x degree are also on both side under ng ating parallel line. So, itong line na to is parallel to this line. So, what kind of angle pair are they? So, for number 1, they are corresponding angles. Ayan. And as you say, corresponding angles are always congruent. Okay? If they are congruent, it means that the measures are equal. So if this is 68, your x is also 68 degrees. So for number 2, the given are your x degree here is this angle and the second angle is this, which is 134 degrees. So what kind of angle pair are they? So as you observe, they are both interior and they are on the same side ng ating transversal. Where is the transversal? This line is the transversal. So same side, interior angle po yung name ng angle pair nila. Okay, so since they are interior angles and they are on the same side of the transversal. And you know that same side interior angles are supplementary. They are not congruent, but they are supplementary, meaning their total should be 180 degrees. So since we already have 134 there, we just simply subtract it from 180 to get the supplement angle of 134, which is 46 degrees. So the value of x is 46 degrees. Now on the third figure, you are given are 120, this angle and this angle. So it means that these two are opposite to one another, and that angle pair is known as vertical angles. And vertical angles, class, are always congruent. So if they are congruent again, they have the same measure. So if this is 120, therefore your x is also 120 degrees. Now on the fourth figure, you are given are 101 degrees, this part, and this angle is x degrees. So as you see, they are not on the same side. However, they are on the opposite sides of this transversal and both are interior angles. At mapapansin mo, the one here is at the top and the other one is at the bottom. It seems like they are in the alternate position. So this angle pair is known as alternate interior angles. And alternate interior angles are congruent. So again, if they are congruent, they are equal, the same measure. So meaning the x here is also 101 degrees. Now on the last figure, so your x here is, your angle here is the x degree and the angle here is 77 degrees. Okay, now as you see, they are both exterior angles and they are on the same side of the transversal. So it means the angle pair here is same side, exterior angles. So if they are same side exterior angles, they are supplementary. So meaning, again, their total should be 180 degrees. So since we already have 77 there, we need to subtract it from 180. So the difference will be, ilan yan? That is 103 degrees. So that's how to solve the first part. So moving on to the second part. So same lang din siya. First is we need to name the angle pair and then write the equation, then solve for x, and then substitute the value obtained to find the missing angle measurement. So for number 1, the given are 3x here and another 6x here. So there are two angles given. So they are both interior angles and they are on the same side of the transversal. So meaning this pair is same side interior angles. Alright, so again, if they are same side interior angles, they are supplementary, meaning if we will be adding 3x as the first angle to the 6x as the second angle, their total should be 180 degrees. Okay, so let's now solve for x. We should simplify this. We need to add 3x by 6x and we will get 9x. Okay, and then the next step is we need to divide both sides by 9 to obtain the value of x, which is 20. So that is our value of x. Now, to get the missing angle measure, we just simply substitute. Okay, so the first angle here is 3x. So we just substitute 3 times 20. You will get 60 degrees. So meaning this angle is 60 degrees. Now, same with the second angle, which is 6x. So 6x is equal to 6 times 20. That is 120 degrees. So meaning this second angle is 120 degrees. And as you see, if you add 60 and 20, you will get 180. And that's what same side interior angles all about. Okay? Now for number 2. For number 2, as you look at 7x minus 12 is here. This one, this angle 7x minus 12. 3x plus 28 is here. So they are on the opposite side of the angle of the transversal and they are both exterior. So meaning this angle pair is alternate exterior angle. Okay, alternate exterior angles. Ayan. And alternate exterior angles are congruent, guys. So meaning if they're congruent, they are equal. So we need to equate 7x minus 12 to 3x plus 28. Okay, so we need to solve for x. So dito, we will be subtracting 3x on the left and the right side. So this will be 0. So 7x minus 3x, that will be 4x. Then bring down minus 12, bring down 28. Next, since may constant sa left, we need to remove. Since minus 2, we should not subtract. Okay? We should add. So mag-add tayo ng 12. Mag-add tayo ng 12 on both sides. So this will be 0 na. So the remaining will be 4x and then you add here, which is 40. Then divided by 4, both sides. So your x will be 10. The value of x is 10. Now, to get the angle measure, we need to substitute it. Okay, so first angle will be 7x. So ita times mo lang siya, 7 times 10 minus 12. That will give you 70 minus 12, which is 58 degrees. So meaning this angle is 58. Since this angle is equal to this angle, meaning this angle is also 58 degrees. Okay, next for number 3. For number 3, as you see, they are both exterior and on the same side of the transversal. So meaning the angle pair here is same side exterior angles. And same side exterior angles are supplementary. So we just simply add the two given angles. So 3x plus 77 plus the second angle, which is 4x plus 54, they should be equal to 180. Next is you have to combine the similar terms. So we need to combine first all term which has variable x. So 3x and then 4x, we will have 7x. And then the remaining constant, which are 77 and 54, you should add. That makes it 131 equals 180. So since may constant tayo ng 131 here, we need to subtract 131 both sides. So this will be 0. So the remaining will be 7x equals 180 minus 131, that will make it 49. So divide both sides by 7, your x will be 7. Okay, now we need to substitute it to the given expression to get the angle measurement. So here you will have 3 times 7 plus 77. So we have 21 plus 77, that makes it ilan yan? 21 plus 77, that is 98 degrees. And for the second angle, substitute 4 times 7 plus 54. So you have 28 plus 54 makes it 82 degrees. So as you see, 98 plus 82 makes it 180 degrees. Next, for the last one, 9x plus 8 and then 4x plus 18. These are corresponding angles. So if they are corresponding angles, obviously they are congruent. So we need to equate 9x plus 8 and 4x plus 18. So we subtract both sides by 4x, so it will be 0 here. Next is 9x minus 4x, that is 5x, plus 8 equals 18. And then my constant again sa left side, we need to subtract it. Okay, that will make it 0. So 5x is equal to 10. Divided by 5 both sides, so your x will be 2. So substitute lang natin dito, 9 times 2 plus 8. So that makes it 26 degrees. Same with here. Substitute 4 times 2 plus 18. That makes also 26 degrees. So they are equal. So that's how to do your group work. I hope you understand po. Okay?